Yo, hi everyone, my name is Very Boy. Today I'm going to show you how to identify original iPhone. Okay, it's very simple. Just follow me and do the same thing to your phone to know whether you're using original or copy. Yeah, just take a look at what I'm going to do now. Go to Messenger. Um, Go to message, I mean to say. Type send. If your phone actually do like this, you know you're using original phone. If your phone does not do like this, you know you're using copy. And you can also type congratulations. Just take a look at guys. You see? Just try it and see if your phone do the same thing. Then comment on this comment section and share this video. Give me a like, 100,000 like. Share this video, let it go viral. Okay, thank you so much. See you next video.